Chinese white dolphin, one of the endangered animals in the world, is also named as pink dolphin because of its pink and glossy body. They shouldn't be quite strange to Hong Kong people since they often appear in the waters near Lam Kwang Chau, Tai O, and Tuen Men. Although they are called the Chinese white dolphin, their bodies are not actually white. Their bodies are in gray color when they were small, but turn into pink when grown up. A mature Chinese white dolphin can be 2 to 2.5 m long and weighed 200 to 250 kg. They don't live alone or in a big group, but normally living in a group with 3 to 5 dolphins. The life expectancy of a Chinese white dolphin is 30 to 40 years. They like eating different kinds of fish, which can always find in the sea. Hong Kong is one of the living places of Chinese white dolphin. However, there is a huge threat towards them, and only 61 of them are living in Hong Kong right now. Not only in Hong Kong, the number of Chinese white dolphin in the world is also decreasing, with only about 800 remain. Therefore, they were listed in the Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. The main reason of the disappearing of Chinese white dolphin is the human activities. In 1989, the Hong Kong International Airport at Chek Lap Kok was built, and 1,200 hectares of land were reclaimed, which deprived the habitats of the Chinese white dolphins. Moreover, the construction work, the third runway of Hong Kong International Airport, is going to be extended. Hong Kong seems not a suitable place for the Chinese white dolphins to live anymore. Apart from land reclamation, marine pollution is also one of the biggest threats. Plenty of waste come from the industry, farming, and other human activities pours in the water near the Pearl River Delta Economic Zone every day, making the water quality even more worse. Maritime traffic is also one of the concerns. Since Hong Kong is one of the busiest harbors in the world, there are thousands of ships pass through every day. Some dolphins may hurt or even killed by the populace. The noise come from the ships also disturb the habitats of the dolphins as well. Although the Hong Kong government had carried out the conservation program for the Chinese white dolphin in Hong Kong in 2000 in order to protect them, the program didn't work out at all. This program mainly focused on the research of the distribution of the Chinese white dolphins in Hong Kong, but not how the human activities and pollutions affected them, as well as the conservation policy. Facing such situation, there are actually something we can do to protect the marine life. Firstly, we should avoid polluting the ocean. For example, we shouldn't throw any rubbish or pour any sewage into the water. At the same time, we can also support the organizations which protect the marine life, such as WWF. We can donate money or participate in some conservative activities. Additionally, we can volunteer in these organizations to contribute to the environment. Moreover, the industry should be responsible to the marine life too. The pollutants come from the factories are the biggest cause of water pollution. They should cite the treatments in order to control the maximum toxic pollutants poured in the water. Living on the earth, we all have the responsibilities to protect the environment and the animals. Apart from Chinese white dolphins and marine animals, there are still many endangered animals in the world, such as polar bears and pandas. These animals are being endangered mainly because of the human activities and global warming. If everyone could start to protect the environment from some little things in the daily life, it would surely make the world a better world.